Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nadia Education Wadi. I'm student at Rahan School Karangi campus. Currently, I'm enrolled in Teacher Ready Bootcamp 1. Today, we have a very special guest, Muna AI Wali, who is inspiring teacher artificial intelligence in a simple and practical way. We'll discuss how AI is changing education, career, and the future of learning. Welcome, Muna. Please introduce yourself. Okay, Mamuna, please introduce yourself.
Walaikum Assalam. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here, and I'm excited to discuss such a important topic. सॉरी सादिया आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आई बिल्कुल भी.
Uh, what inspired you to start teaching AI?
When AI started becoming popular, I noticed that many people were either confused or afraid of it. Some believe AI will replace every job, while others thought it was sorry. Some believe AI will replace every job, while others thought it was only for programmer. I want to change this micro caption by explaining AI in a simple and practical way. Seeing students gain confidence and learn new skills taught by contact motivate me every day.
What exactly is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is a technology that allow computer to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recording image, solving problems, and making medicines. We already use AI in our smartphone, search engineer, online shopping, navigations app, and even in education. It become a part of our daily life without many people realizing it.
Okay, so my next question is how is AI transforming education today?
मैं आपको अज़ान के बाद जवाब दूँ, आप पॉज़ कर दें। ओके, तो artificial intelligence is a technology that allow computer to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, image, solving problems, and making medicines. We already use AI in our smartphone, search engineer, online shopping, navigations app, and even in education. It become a part of our daily life without many people realizing it.
Okay, so my next question is how is AI transforming education today?
AI is making education smarter and more personalized. Students can learn at their own pace and instant explanation and receive personalized practice exercise. Teacher can automate tasks like greeting and lesson planning, allowing them to spend more time helping students. AI is making quality education more accessible than before, ever before.
Okay, why is AI become important for every student?
Because AI is no longer limited to the technology industry, whether someone want to become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, teacher, designer, or interpreter, AI will become part of their professional. Student who understand AI today will be better prepared to tomorrow opportunity.
Is AI replacing teachers?
No, AI cannot replace teacher because education is not only about delivering information. Teacher inspire, motivate, mentor, and understand student emotionally. AI can support teachers by having time and providing additional learning resources, but the human connection between teachers and student will always remain essential.
Okay, so can AI help weak students learn better?
Um, Absolutely. One of AI's biggest strength is personalized learning. If a student does not understand a concept, AI can explain it in different way until it becomes clear. It never get tired of answering questions, making it an excellent learning companion of student who need extra support.
Okay, what are the biggest benefits of AI in education?
Biggest benefit: AI save time, improve understanding, providing instant feedback, creative personalized study, plan help with language learning, generate quiz, and make education accessible to students. Regrets of their location, it empower learner to study independent and more efficiently.
Okay, what mistake do students make while using AI?
The biggest mistake is using as a shortcut instead of a learning tool, copying assessment without understanding the context by help temporary, but it does not build knowledge or skills. Students should ask questions, explore concept, and verify information instead of building accepting every answer.
Okay, so what is the prompt engineering?
Please repeat your question.
Okay, what is prompt engineering?
Prompt engineer is the skills of giving AI clear, detail, and well structure interaction. The better your questions, the better the AI response. Learning how to communicate effectively with AI is becoming an important skill for student and professional alike.
Okay, so what do you think? How can students write better AI prompts?
Okay, so students should clearly mention their grades, level learning, objective, and the type of explanation they need. They should ask follow up questions whenever something is not clear. AI will best when we communication with it clear rather than asking question.
Okay, so can AI improve creativity?
Definitely, AI can help generate idea, overcome creative blocks, suggestion different, speed up the creative process. However, true creative come from human imagination, important and experience. AI is a partner, not a replacement of creativity.
Okay, so is AI dangerous for use irresponsibly?
Like any powerful technology, AI must be used responsibly. It can spread many information or be misused if people do not every information or use it The key is education users so they know both its strength and its limitation.
How should parents introduce AI to children?
Parents should introduce AI as a learning champion. Children to ask questions, solve problems, and explore new topics while teaching them critical thinking and online safety. AI should support education, not replace curiosity or human interaction.
Okay, what skill will matter most in the AI era?
Critical thinking, creativity, communication, emotionally intelligent, adaptability can continue learning will become even more valuable. AI cannot automate tasks, but this human skill will be continue to set people apart.
Will AI replace job or create new opportunities?
This is properly the most common question people ask. My answer is that AI will not simplify replace job, it will transform them. Some repetition tasks may become automated, but at the same time, AI is creating entirely new careers in field like AI develop, prompt engineer, data analyze, digital marketing, connection creation, and cyber security. History has shown us that every technology revolution created an opportunity. They will be asked that the every technology revolution create new opportunity. The key is to keep learning new skills and adapt to change instead of fearing it.
Okay, so which career will benefit the most from AI?
Uh, Wait a minute. Okay, almost every professional will benefit from AI. In some way, doctor can use AI for faster teachers and create personalized lesson. Engineer can design more efficiency marketer and analyze customers. Behavior and designer can speed up their creative process. Even lawyer, accountant, and interruption are using AI to improve productively. The future begin on people who know how to combine their professional experience with AI tools.
Okay, can AI improve English communication?
Yes, absolutely. AI is like having personal English tutor available 24 to 7. It can help improve grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, writing, and even speaking skills. A student can practice conversation, prepare for interviews, write emails, or get feedback on essay. However, it is important to practice regularly because AI cannot guide you, but confidence only comes to practice regularly because AI can guide you, but confidence is come only thought, consider speaking and writing.
Okay, how can AI student prepare for exams?
AI can make exam preparations much more organized and efficient. It can summarize long chapter, explain difficult topics in simple language, create quiz, generate practice papers, and even build personalized duty study plans based on a student's strength and weakness. Instead of spending hours searching more, resourcing student can focus more on understand concept and practice regularly. AI save time, but hard work and consistency are still the key of success.
Okay, what are the limitations of AI?
All through AI is a very powerful. It's not a perfect. It is sometimes provide incorrect or out data information, and it is does not really understand emotion or real life experience like human do. AI also depend on the quality of the data it has learned from. That where why user should always verify important information and use their own judgment. AI is the helpful assessment, but it should never replace critical thinking.
Can AI think like humans?
No, AI cannot think like human. It can process huge amount of information and generate intelligent response, but can does not have emotional self-answerness and personal experience. Human can understand feeling and make more decision and thinking creatively way that AI cannot. AI is designed assistant human intelligence, not replaced to that by the combination of human creativity and AI technology is so powerful.
Okay, so how can teacher use AI effectively in classrooms?
AI can be a powerful assistant for teacher. It can help create lesson plan, generate quiz, check assessment, and prepare presentation, saving value, time. Teacher can also use AI to explain difficult topic in different way to where a student can understand how where AI should support teacher, not replace them. The teacher whose experience and personal connection with a student will always remain the heart of education.
Okay, what ethical challenge does AI bring?
As AI become more powerful, it also bring important ethical challenge issues like misinformation or data privacy, and AI generated tag image issues or videos need seriously attention. Where it is important to use AI responsibility, verify information, expect copyright to protect personal data. Technology should always be guided by ethic and human values 24.
Okay, so finally, what is your message for everyone?
Um, my message. Okay. Thank you so much. Wait a minute. Okay, so my message is simple. Do not fear AI learn. It technology will continue to value, but those who stay curiosity, keep learning, and use AI responsible will always find new opportunity. Remember, AI is not there replace your intelligence. It is there to assess it. Your creativity, ethics, and willingness to learn will always be your grateful strength.
Okay, so thank you so much, Femina, for sharing such a valuable insight. I'm sure our audience has learned a lot today. We wish you all the best for your future journey.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful being here. I hope everyone leave their conversation feeling inspired to embrace AI as a tool of learning and growth.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.